Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Riya Sharma, and in this video, I'm gonna address a very common question what we all have while learning English. The question is that when we will become fluent in English. So almost we all have this question if we start learning English and we have been learning English for few months, we get encounter with this question, okay, in our mind that when we will become fluent we are working very hard, but still I'm not seeing any major changes in myself. I often do a lot of mistakes whenever I speak English, so when I will become fluent in English? But this is a very common question. But guys, if you have been learning English just few months, how you can become fluent in just few months? This is the language, and it will take time. Language takes time, or any skill, whatever you are learning, it will take time. So have patience about it. So, guys, when I started learning English, I had the same doubt about myself when I will become fluent, when I will speak good English, because I was doing a lot of mistakes. I'm from Hindi medium background, and it was very difficult for me to learn English. So I was doing a lot of mistakes, and but I was keep thinking about it. I was keep pondering about it that when I will become fluent, and just because of this frustration, I gave up for few months. So please don't build this pressure on your mind that when you will become fluent. I was watching a lot of YouTube videos in my initial days when I will become fluent. So I watched a lot of videos that how to become fluent in 6 months, how to become fluent in 3 months, how to become fluent in 1 month, or how to become fluent in 21 days. I watched a lot of videos, and some influencers was also telling that you can be fluent in just 10 days if you speak English. If you just speak English in your whole day, you can become fluent in just 10 days. So I have watched a lot of videos. I was not taking action, I was just watching videos. And this was the biggest mistake I was doing at that point of time. Suppose, let's take example. Here is a person A and here's a person B. Okay. So a person A, just name it Sita. So Sita also wants to speak. So Sita wants to speak English, very fluent English. And let's name a person B, Geeta. So Geeta also wants to speak very fluent English. Both are from the same background, Hindi medium background. But Sita is paying attention to learn English. Sita is not scrolling and watching videos on YouTube for how to become fluent in 6 months or how to become fluent in 1 month. But uh, on the other hand, Geeta is scrolling YouTube and searching how to become fluent in 21 days, how to become fluent in 1 month. Geeta is scrolling a lot about it, but Geeta is not taking any action ever. Okay, so what do you think? After 6 months, who will become more fluent, Sita or Geeta? Of course, Sita, because Sita was paying lot of action on speaking, but Geeta was just scrolling videos. Geeta was just building lot of pressure on her head, but Geeta was not taking any action. This is the problem with us. We just build lot of pressure on our head, but we don't take action. Okay, maybe you have been thinking for 2 months or 3 months that I will start learning English, I will become consistent, I will uh, I will be consistent on learning English, and you are not taking any action. You are just learning vocabulary, watching videos, how to become fluent or what to do to become fluent in English, but you are not taking any action. You are not speaking English from your mouth, so how you can become fluent? Even in 2 years you cannot become fluent if you are not taking any action. But if you are, rather than scrolling on social media, you take action, you will become fluent. There's good chances to become fluent in English in just 6 months. So if you really want to fluent, you have to denote time rather than just building this pressure on your mind that when you will become fluent. Because if you build this pressure. I've seen a lot of people, they start learning English and they keep on thinking after a few days that when they will become fluent, how can they become fluent in 1 month, and they give up. They think that English is not their cup of tea. If they don't become fluent in just few days or in just few months, they give up. They give up. And I was one of them. I gave up, like, out of frustration. I was thinking that I'm from Hindi medium background. Nobody is speaking around me. How I could speak English? How I could learn English? I gave up at that point of time. I was very much frustrated. Like, but I started again after a few months, and now I'm here. I'm speaking. I'm not very much fluent. I'm not. Even I'm making this video, I would make cuts in this video, and then you will see the people who is speaking very nice English. But I am telling you truth that I'm not that much fluent. Okay, I'm still learning, and whatever I learn, I just tell you guys that so that you can also apply. Please don't take a lot of tension on your head. Just take action. When you take action, you don't take pressure. So don't build unnecessary pressure when you will become fluent. You are not able to speak good English in few days. And don't watch these creepy videos that how to become fluent in 21 days. I have seen on YouTube that a lot of good influencers who have a very nice fan following, they are making these videos that just become fluent in 21 days or become fluent in 3 months. Become fluent in 3 months, it's also acceptable little bit, but become fluent in 21 days isn't, it's not acceptable. If you are coming from Hindi medium background, everybody's learning curve is different, everybody's background is different. So if somebody is coming from a English medium background, so that person may become fluent in just 21 days. But if you are coming from Hindi medium background like me, so you cannot become fluent in just 21 days or 3 months. And we often tend to get compare ourselves with those people who have a strong background than us. Okay, don't compare yourself from those people, because everybody's learning curve is different, everybody's background is different. This is not a rocket science. You just need to speak at least 15 minutes in a day, and if you develop this habit of speaking, I am telling you that after 6 months it will naturally come from your mouth. English will naturally come from your mouth. Okay, so I hope uh, you will love this video. And guys, before ending this video, I want to share with you something. Actually, this is the first day of my office. Uh, I'm gonna join my office today, and this going to be my first day of office. I'm little bit nervous, but I'm also excited. So I really want your best wishes. So if you are watching till now, so please give me your wishes. So I hope you will love this video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.